There is now a second U.S. case of Wuhan's coronavirus, another person who recently visited that part of China. She's stable now but still hospitalized in Chicago, mostly to keep her isolated.
The CDC says testing is underway to pin down the cause of the sickness among 50 other travelers from 22 states, while 11 have tested negative for coronavirus. UF students from China are very worried about relatives. Kiana Clarence spoke to both UF students and experts today.
In China, there are hundreds of cases and more than 24 deaths. Experts are trying to get a handle on how easily the new virus spreads and how tough it will be to stop.
Very worried about my friends. A lot of my friends are back there.
Zhou Bin-du, along with many other Chinese students at UF, have been on edge about the coronavirus outbreak.
It was very scary. We started to see the numbers of people getting the disease rising up very quickly.
The first case of this new coronavirus in humans was reported last December in Wuhan, China. UF experts say the virus mimics the cold or flu with symptoms such as a fever, cough, and trouble breathing.
This particular coronavirus, even though it's part of the family of coronaviruses that's spreading in China, a jump from animal species to humans and is different and appears to be quite a bit more severe than the usual coronavirus.
The Chinese government has placed Wuhan under quarantine and is limiting travel in and out of central China. With the Chinese New Year arriving, the outbreak has put a halt to much of the country's festivities.
Most people will just stay at home. And also the local governments have recommended people not to gather together. So hopefully that will slow down the epidemic.
UF's Chinese Student Association is planning to send face masks, hand sanitizers, and other supplies to help out loved ones.
We are working on an emergency project that we will donate the materials back to Wuhan.
This afternoon, the University of Florida released a statement alerting students, faculty, and staff about the outbreak and ways to prevent the spread of the virus. While the CDC is monitoring possible cases in 22 states, the afternoon email from university health officials says there have been none here on campus or anywhere in Alachua County. Reporting live in the newsroom, Kiana Clarence, WUFT News.